So in this lecture we will discuss about variables. So we will practically declare variables and also we will initialize the variable practically with the help of a program. For that we are creating a new file with this icon. Click on it. Type a name variable dot p is here extension of C file. Now click on your screen and you can see here variable.c file have been created. Now I am typing here header file which is hash include center input output dot h. Now I am taking here int main function. Execution will be start from main function and here int is a return type. You are taking integer as a return type, so you need to return a value to the function. So return 0. Now we will declare a variable. So we will declare a variable. So type here variable declaration. So let's see how we can declare a variable. We can declare a variable with data type and variable. So type here data type integer and variable name is roll underscore number. I am using here underscore because I have told you in previous lectures we will not use any space between the two words. If we are taking roll number, student information or your full name, so between that we will use underscore for joining this two words. Okay. Now float marks. Now char for character grade. This is a method one you can use for declare the variable. Okay, now I am showing you how you can initialize your variable. Okay, so you can initialize your variable with the help of equal, which is called assignment of. Equal is called here assignment of. So integer roll number is equal to 20. So value 20 will be assigned to the roll number. Okay, and I am also giving you information, giving you an example about the variable initialization. Okay. You can see here I am initializing your variable marks is equal to 85 or 87.3. Date is equal to, in single quote you can write A plus. That's it. Type here only A plus. Now you can see here first I told you about variable declaration and then I told you about the variable initialization. How you can initialize value to the variable. So this part has been completed. Now we will print with the help of printf. Now you can see here printf inside type here roll number is equal to percentage d because roll number is an integer data type. So type here roll number. Okay. Now terminate this line with the help of a semicolon. In second line printf and then type inside the double quotes marks of student is equals to percentage f. For float data type we use percentage f. And now give a comma and type here marks. Now again printf inside double quote type here grade of student is equals to percentage of C because this is a character data type. Now comma and grade. You can see here we are using Visual Studio Code, so this is giving us suggestions. Okay, so that's why we are using this text array, or you can say we are using this ID. Okay, now right click on your screen and you can see here run code option. Click on it. Now you can see I am changing a plus as a and saving again and click on run code. You can see here roll number is 20, marks of student is 87 point and grade of the student is 8. To get the whole output in next line or a new line, we can type here backslash n, again backslash, control S to save the file, and now again click on run. You can see here roll number is 20, grade of the student is 8 and marks of the student is 87.00000. So this is a float data type, that's why this is taking 000 as a output. So in this chapter we have learned first method of variable initialization. In last video we have discussed about the variable declaration method 1 and variable initialization. How we can declare variable with the method 1 and how we can initialize variable with the method 1. In this video I will tell you how we can declare a variable and we can initialize a variable with method number 2. So I am giving here method number 2. So this is also simple as method number 1. You can see here method 2. So we will not give here values. We will only declare a variable with a data type. So you can see here I am declaring a variable here with a data type, and now in next line I am using the variable name for initializing the variable. You can see here roll number is equal to 29, marks is equal to 45.90 and grade is equal to single quote A, single quote close and single. And now when you run this code, but before that save this code. Now run with help of this run code option. You can see here roll number is 29, marks of student is 45.9000002 and grade of the student is 8. So I want to tell you one thing. There is two methods for variable declaration and variable initialization. You can choose any one of them and write a code with help of this. And this is a very simple method which we have discussed in this lecture. So in future, whenever you will declare a variable or whenever you will try to initialize a variable, you can use any one method which we have discussed. So with this I am closing this session, and in next lecture we will learn more good topics related to C programming.